Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into VOO. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 27th of March, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 27th of March, 2025, our system has ranked VOO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.41. Now, let's examine the exchange-traded fund's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it develops in the coming days. The exchange-traded fund is positioned within a declining trend in the short term, indicating further declines are likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 5.07% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging between -8.55% and +0.298%. When we examine the longer term, our 12-month analysis predicts a change of about 17.29%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 14.87% and 28.82% over the coming year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price between $598.71 and $671.41. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline: VOO ETF downgraded from hold accumulate to sell candidate after Thursday trading session. The VOO ETF price decreased by 0.62% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 27th of March, 2025, falling from $524.46 to $521.21. During this trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 1.05%, reaching a low of $519.25 and a high of $524.68. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 2.79% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume declined on the last day alongside the ETF price, which can be seen as a positive sign, as volume typically follows the ETF. On this day, the trading volume fell by 873,000 shares, with a total of 4 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $1.83 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $563.90, while the lowest price was $453.90. Currently, the price is 7.57% or $42.69 below the 52-week high of $563.90, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. Mike Wilson, Chief U.S. Equity Strategist at Morgan Stanley, holds a positive view of the S&P 500, predicting it will reach 6,500 by the end of the year. This outlook persists despite current market hesitations driven by tariff negotiations under President Trump. Such confident market predictions can inspire trust among investors, hinting at potential upward movement for exchange-traded funds like VOO in the near future. At the same time, strategies like dollar-cost averaging are becoming more popular as investors navigate the current economic climate. This approach could offer a stable entry point for newcomers, likely increasing the volume for VOO and similar ETFs over time. However, analysts caution about the risk of increased volatility, as major indices, including the S&P 500, have seen a decline of 1.6% this year. Recent forecasts have led some analysts, including those at Barclays, to lower their expectations for the S&P 500, raising concerns about potential effects on investor sentiment and overall market stability. The ongoing fluctuations of the indices and uncertainty surrounding tariffs contribute to an atmosphere favorable for cautious trading. As economic conditions change, investors may seek to take advantage of opportunities during market dips, which could enhance interest in VOO for both short-term and long-term positions, assuming the broader market recovers as anticipated. The following signals have been identified for VOO. Today there are mixed signals for the exchange-traded fund. The VOO ETF is currently showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, leading to a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal due to the long-term average being above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance is expected at $523.91 and $536.98. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. The trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, March 13, 2025, and thus far it has increased by 2.79%. Further growth is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 11 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 11 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 25 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 22 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 22 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 14 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at $515.51. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. Overall, the exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and due to its good liquidity, the risk is considered very low. Over the last day, the ETF experienced a movement of $5.43 between its high and low, which is approximately 1.05%. In the past week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 1.03%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at 530.5. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could serve as a point to think about swing trading. On the downside, VOO encounters its first support level at 515.51. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our assessment of this exchange-traded fund is unfavorable, and a stop loss has not been established. Is VOO ETF a good buy? Currently, VOO exhibits several negative signals, leading us to believe that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have adopted a negative stance towards this ETF. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation from holding or accumulating to a sell recommendation. After assessing the volatility and market movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 28th of March, we anticipate that VOO will open higher by approximately $0.50 and begin trading at $521.71. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.